wheel, all right? That's not gonna work. Make sure you're using a grinding disc. All right, so there we have it. Okay, so let's go ahead and tack this real quick. There you go, one tack. Let's go ahead and turn it around. Let's do the other tack. All right, and then we pop up. We're gonna be using an Everlast Lightning MTS 275. Okay, so we're gonna come over here real quick and we're gonna make sure that we choose the proper setting. We're gonna be doing stick, okay? So we gotta find stick, all right? So there's TIG, aluminum, MIG, flux, and so on. So we're gonna scroll down. All the arc force is at 85%. I want good penetration. Back, pause, forward, back, pause, forward, back, pause. And all we're doing, we're moving about maybe an eighth in front of us, coming back to our puddle, pausing, and you're pushing, okay? Very simple. All right, so forward, back, just like that. Make sure that we're in the groove. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Just like that. Remember, we're running about 85 amps. No rush, there's no rush. Keep going. Pop have it. That's gonna be our root pass, okay? So we're whipping it forward, coming back, pausing, pushing. You always got down. The reason why we're going up and down is because we're making sure that we're covering our root, okay? So right in the middle of our root, we're gonna go forward, back, up, down, forward, back, up, down. On this little crack right here, boom, this valley right here. Okay, so we're gonna do small little circles and we're gonna pause on the top. 2 small little seconds, little circles. Boom, 1, 2, 1, 2, just like this. 1, 2, very, very small. Do not exaggerate on your circles. They should look like you're dragging them, okay? Very, very simple, very small. We're set, so let's go ahead and start doing this. Small little circles, small little circles. Don't over exaggerate them. Keep them nice and tight. Nice and tight. Pop off. All right, very nice bead. Boom. Look at this. Let's go ahead and clean this up real quick. All right, so there we have it. We have our first fill. Now we're gonna do our second half. Okay, we're gonna throw another fill right above that first fill. And we're gonna be covering that hot pass right on the top. So what we're going up. All right, so we're gonna favor the top, do small little circles, come down to this bead, to the very first fill. Boom, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very, very small. There's no rush, okay? Let's go ahead and start. Nice and tight, nice and tight. You're always pushing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Pop off. All right, looks pretty good. Very nice. Clean this real quick. All right, nice and clean. That's our fill. All right, nice and simple. That's our fill. All right, 2 beads right next to each other, 50-50. Remember, everything is 50, 1, 2. Those circles should look like amps. Everything stays the same, all right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. No rush, no rush. 1, 2. Nope, have it. Just like that. All right, perfect. It's a little windy here. Just make sure you're not shaking too much, all right? 2 seconds. Always pause for 2 seconds. Pop off. So that means we have to favor more the top, okay? We gotta make sure we have no undercut on the top, okay? All right, so tiny little circles, favoring the top, just like that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make sure you pause on the top. Pause, push for 2 small seconds, okay? Always pushing, nice and tight. Pop off. You see right here, that was our root, okay? Very simple. You're gonna keep it right in the middle, okay? Our second pass, that was our hot pass, okay? We went forward, back, up, down, forward, back, up, down. Very simple, okay? That was our hot pass. Make sure that you're covering your root, okay? Okay, after that, we did our fill. We did 2 fills, one at the bottom and one at the top, okay? We did small little that. We did our cap, right? 3 bead cap. Here we have it. 1, 2, 3. Make sure that you stack everything 50-50, okay? Everything is stacked 50-50, nicely fused. If you know it on the top, you see how we have no undercut.